conduct drop test on this packet. So I'll drop this packet 6 times from a dropping height of 1.2 meter. Dropping first time, dropping second time, dropping third time, dropping fourth time, dropping fifth time, dropping sixth time. After 6 times drop, sample found okay. So now I'm going to conduct drop test on this bulk sugar samples. I attached 2 packets and I'll drop it 2 times from a height of 1.2 meter. So here I'm placing the sample. So dropping first time. So dropping the same sample second time. So after dropping 2 times, sample found okay.